Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What, you trying to figure out how to climb up here? Birdie, the little tweet with his fingers. You step down. There you go. Where are the birdies? You want more birdies? That rock for me. Oh, dropped it. Oh, and here comes the train. Bye-bye, yeah, bye-bye train. Where'd the train go? More what? You want more horn? Or is it more guitar? Which one? You want more horn? Yes, I know you want more. The sign, putting the hands together, is more. And then he goes and he points at what he wants more of. Oh, something's that big. What's that big? Noah, did you have your bath this morning? It's all done? Yeah, you're right, it's all done. Did you say thank you? Is it yummy? Would you like more? More? Where's Daddy? You turtle! Correct. Good signing. Is your horse a car? Horse. Yeah, horse. You're right. Get on again. More. More. Sure. Please open the door. Can you open the door? What's outside the door? Outside.
出られません。出られなくなりました。
Can you get out, Noah? Ouchie. Your foot is ouchie. His foot is ouchie, he says. Daddy, help me, my foot hurts.
Mate. Oh, mate, mate, mate. Mate, mate, mate.
What is it, Noah?
Baby, yes. Mate, mate, mate.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, love it. Mate, mate, mate. Mate, mate, mate. Mate, mate, mate. Mate, mate, mate. Mate. Mate, mate, mate. Beer, yes. Beer. Mate, mate, mate. Yeah.
Giraffe.
首が長いね。long neck.
No.
待て待て待て。Elephant. Mate, mate, mate. What's that?
Mama.
Mama. Mama. Tsukumaeta. Tsukumaeta.
Mama.
Mama. Mama. Yes. Mama.
Where's the last page?
みんなね、sheep.
No?
No. Why?
But they're sleeping, Noah.
Sleeping. Why are sleeping?
No?
No. No.
Okay. That's the end of one of our favorite books.
Okay, Noah.
There's a penguin. Where's the penguin? Ah, there's a crab. Okay. The pincher guy.
Chocolate.
What's that? It's a bug? Yeah, it could be a bug. It's actually squid. What is that one? Froggy? Try horsey. Yeah, horsey. Thank you. What is this? Elephant. What's this one, Noah? Frog? Yeah? What's that? What do you have? Octopus. You don't know that sign, do you? We'll make a sign. What is this one? Turtle. Okay. What about this one? Bear. Yeah. What's that? Giraffe. Yeah, he's got the long neck. You're right.